Guys, it is way past time to upgrade my wife's setup, which is why when Flexispot reached out to us and asked if we wanted to take a look at one of their awesome standing desks, we absolutely jumped at the chance. So hang out with us while we pimp out my wife's setup. Do people still say pimp out?
I mean, you just did.
Doesn't feel right.
No.
You've got to pimp my
Greg, I'm about to come in with the PC. Can you drop it all the way down to the lowest?
And you can't even hear this thing.
Yeah, it's, I think, rated at 45 decibels. Like, it runs super quiet.
And it's quick.
Yeah, importantly.
The wife gets a 4090.
Well, no, we got No, okay, so to be clear, this is actually my rig that has been co-opted because we built the new one a few, last month, remember?
You still give your use off camera time.
Let's go ahead and get the monitor in there so we know what we're working with.
This make it easier if it's higher, right?
Yeah, it'll be easier if it's higher. Go ahead and raise it for me. Oh,
Gee.
my bad. So it has collision detection. So
I thought we broke it.
No. Okay, so I guess we need to explain it to people. So the desk actually has collision detection built in case you're like me and have little kids that like to hide under it or dogs or anything like that. Yeah, it'll actually stop if it senses that it bumped into anything. Really convenient if that's something that you need to have. In my family, it's an absolute must because my kids will come and hide under here, all kinds of crazy stuff. Now let's raise it to standing height. And we should be able to leave it at standing height for the rest of this build.
Now, you can program this with 4 separate settings, right?
So yeah, standing, sitting, and then 3 and 4 are just whatever memories you want to program it to. You know what I just realized?
What?
We never actually showed these guys how we built this thing, so we're going to go back and let you guys check out the assembly process. Don't worry, we're going to speed it up. Got a project for us today.
Oh, one.
We got it.
Okay.
So Flexispot sent us over this amazing E6 standing desk, dual motor, top of the line. Awesome. Only problem is we have to get it put together for a video shoot tour.
Where's your screwdrivers?
I'm out of orange juice, but we can just do straight vodka if you want.
Better idea.
So many FPS on this bad boy?
At least one.
At least one. Flexispot helps me get it up and keep it up, except for now. Hey, okay guys, I'm ready to go down. Greg? Yeah, guys? Oh. The cool thing is, this whole thing took us, what, maybe less than 30 minutes to put together?
Yeah, and after doing it once, you do it again in like 15. There's nothing to it.
Yeah, it's insanely easy. It's like 4 steps. And even the cable management and stuff under here was really easy. I'm not going to show under there today because I'm not cable managing this setup. This is more of like a proof of concept to see what it looks like. In fact, I don't actually think I'm giving her this desk. While I love the bamboo top, I think I love the bamboo top a little too much, and I'm going to keep this one for me. She doesn't need a 78 by 30 anyway. Flexispot has like 10 different sizes available, so pretty much a size for any need.
Compensation, got it.
Yeah, I need a really big desk because
You just want her to have a more adequately sized desk. I get it.
I just want Flexispot to help me satisfy my wife. So we got to pick a desk mat. Which color do we go with? I think it's pretty well established that everybody knows we're colorblind now. So, I mean, this is out, right? Tan. I love the tan.
What is this? Cream and it's pink.
Rose gold.
Ah, okay, nice.
All right, we're going with the rose. So these desk mats were sent over to us by Kinetic Labs. They are awesome, 100% eco leather. They come in 3 different sizes. This is their largest size that they sent. And
There's a running theme with big things here.
yes, Devin likes big things, which is weird that she married me. Nice, right?
Oh.
We're getting there.
Huh.
So I 3D printed this rainbow silk crystal controller holder for Xbox Pro remote that she likes to game with. Might be a little more niche. Huge Neebs gaming fans, so we can't forget our Apsro and thick U2s. The most important thing, a succulent. Devin loves succulents. No, this thing is really cool. It's a UV light that grows succulents. So we keep this in our bathroom and constantly have plants growing in our bathroom because that's totally normal. And finally, these little guys right here, they're just for looks. Now the fun part that you guys get to skip thanks to the magic of editing. We're going to lower this back down and get underneath here and cable manage everything and get it all set up.
Wouldn't we raise it instead of lowering it?
That makes more sense. All right, Greg, raise that desk. You know what surprises me? Now, I know it's rated for 350 pounds, but like how smooth it goes up and down with all this weight on it. I guarantee you her rig now is at least 30, 40 pounds. Everything on here is probably only pushing 50 pounds, but still like...
That is more than 40 pounds.
It's pretty good.
Or I am that weak now.
But still, like, it's stable. I love the feel of it.
And to be clear too, like if you see any of this going, it's because we have the wheels on it and they aren't locked.
Yeah, you get an option of casters or feet. I love it. Like, I'm genuinely in love with this desk. Let's pause for you guys. We'll come back when everything's up and running. I wish somebody could explain to me the physics of how my USB cable is wrong, and then I rotated 180 degrees and it's still wrong, and then I rotated another 180 degrees back to the original and it's now correct.
That's easy. Every time you make a decision like that one, you turn it once, it's wrong, a reality is made where it's right, and you turn it again, reality is made and it's wrong, it's right again.
Can you just hand me the HDMI cable? All right, guys, so there we have it. We have all of her little personal knickknacks, things like that. Grow lights, succulents, controller holder, transitioning through. We got a brand new 4K 32-inch monitor from Samsung. Brand new, stolen from me, gaming rig. Got a couple of YouTubes. All in all, I think this is going to be a pretty sweet setup for her. So a huge shout out to Flexispot for sending us over this desk to try out. We absolutely loved it. I know that we'll be keeping this one as well as ordering a couple more for around the house and the office. And if you guys are in the market for a standing desk, make sure you click the link down in the description and go check them out. I'm positive they're going to be having a really, really awesome sale for Prime Day if you happen to be watching this in the next week or two. And even if you're watching in the future, it's still worth it. This desk right here at 78 by 30 clocked in under $600. There's always sales, so there's absolutely no reason to keep looking. If you're in the market, this is the one you want. As always, thank you guys for watching. Like if you like. Tell us if you didn't down in the comments. Let us know what you want us to do better, and maybe check out one of these other videos. Thanks for watching.